What's going on, everyone? Tech Me Out here, and I'm pretty excited because in this video I'm going to be playing Fortnite for the very first time on the Galaxy Note 9. So I've been hearing a lot of good things about Fortnite. I never actually gave it a try. That's going to change today. Now I'm gonna warn you, I don't even know what the objective is of this. So I just know that everybody's playing it. So it's matchmaking me right now, and yeah, this is about to be real interesting, y'all. Never ever played it before or watched or even watched somebody play it. I've never done that. So yeah, we're gonna see. Have to play. Oh God, I didn't even get a chance to read the instructions all the way. Oh, there's so much action going on around me already. Is that somebody I know? Gameplay looks good up here though, and it's very fluid. I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm chopping a tree. It looks like it might have been something good that I did there. The door will open in 10 seconds. For what? Maybe I should have watched somebody playing to get a better idea of what I'm supposed to be doing. Oh, am I flying this? Okay, so I just launched my person and she's flying in midair, storm forming in 20 seconds. What on earth? This isn't one of those games that seems to be very intuitive. I might have got in over my head. Is she ever gonna land? Oh, let me put her on top of this tree. Can she land on top of the tree? I know those of you that play Fortnite are probably like, yeah, baby, what is you doing, baby? Maybe because I'm making a mockery of this game. Okay, I don't even know why she started flying in the first place. So I have an axe. I see this icon for tools and a map. A book bag. What does this do? Probably for my equipment, it seems like. Am I damaging something doing that? Is this good? Is this a good thing I'm doing? I will say though, gameplay looks good. The device is not getting warm. It's definitely staying cool. And that's probably linked to the fact that it has a carbon cooling system inside of it, which is typically found in computers to help with things like this. Okay, we got a swing set. Can I jump or anything? How do I? Oh, you can even tear down this, tore down the swing set. Okay, where's civilization? Where are people? Okay, another tree. Let me just chop that down. What am I doing? Oh, there's a gun. Okay, let me get the gun out then. Ooh. So you can destroy just about everything, it seems. Anything and everything in your way. This seems like a person over here or something. Let me get the gun. Let me stand up. What is this? That's how I jump? I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh. I mean, come on, people. Where y'all at? I thought this was like a battle game. Only thing I'm battling is stuff to damage. Oh, I hear somebody. Is somebody shooting at me? No. People, am I playing this right? The speakers on this are phenomenal. Let me turn it down a little bit. Turned it up so you can hear the gameplay, but I feel like I'm approaching civilization. Where are we? Where are we? I hear you. I didn't mean to do that. Why am I not seeing anybody? Ooh, I racked up. Oh, I'm in a storm? What is this? Ooh. Let me run for cover. Oh girl, get in there. What kind of storm is this? That rains inside. Clearly, I don't know what I'm doing. Y'all, I have concluded that this is not a intuitive game. This is not a game you can pick up and just start playing, hoping that it'll make sense. I just know it's raining. It sounds like someone's near me. I think somebody shot me. That's all I've gathered. I don't know how to find other people. I probably should have watched the tutorial, but I was hoping that this would be a bit intuitive. Okay, so my team placed number 10. I eliminated myself somehow. I think that's enough for me. I'm not gonna continue to possibly bore you as I maneuver my way through this game and I have no idea what I'm doing. I definitely am going to read or watch a tutorial or something on how to play this, because I was thinking it might be a bit intuitive, but I've never watched anybody play it. I just heard it was a fun game and it seemed to be really popular, so I just wanted to see what the hype was about. So Fortnite is exclusively available for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 all the way up until August 12th. And then from there, other Galaxy users can download it as well. So if you have like a Galaxy S8, S9 Plus, even Samsung Tab owners, you can download it as well. You just have to head over to fortnite.com/Android and just follow the steps. I believe some permissions will be required in order for you to play it, but you should be fine approving them. Now, Fortnite will be coming to other Galaxy devices as well in the future, but to get more information about that, I'm gonna put a link down below in the description box so you can read up on it on your own. And if you happen to pre-order a Galaxy Note 9 between August 10th and August 23rd, you get the option to choose some AKG noise canceling headphones or the gorgeous, unique Fortnite Galaxy skin with 15,000 V-Bucks for free. Or you can get both of them for $99. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna learn how to play Fortnite, and I probably would do maybe a sequel to this. Maybe. But if you're curious what the experience is like of Fortnite on the Galaxy Note 9, despite my lack of knowledge on how to play, it looks absolutely gorgeous on this 6.4-inch edge-to-edge display. And although I didn't really know exactly what I was doing, it was still fun, all in all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button down below. Somewhere to either side of me is gonna be my face. You can tap on it to instantly subscribe and get content from me, or you can check out the video listed over there as well. But that's gonna do it for this one. As always, thanks for taking the time out to let me tech you out.